In this video, we'll scan the current directory and its subdirectory and display the size of the file. Okay, so I am going to make a directory variable and let's store the path inside it. So I have pasted a path. Okay, so I am going to make dir underscore size. So we'll set the value to 0. So let's make a dictionary file size dictionary. Okay, so here I am going to put bytes as the key and the value as 1. Okay, now I am going to put kilobytes. Okay, and let's put the value as float of 1 and then 1024. Okay, similarly let's make megabytes. Okay, megabytes, and here the value will be float. Okay, 1 and then 1024 multiplied by 1024. Okay, so this will be inside a parenthesis. Okay, so again I am going to make one more key as gigabytes. Okay, so let's put the value as float of 1 and then we will put 1024 multiplied by 1024 and then again multiplied by 1024. So here this was our dictionary. So now I am going to make a for statement for path, directory and files. Okay, in os.walk, and we'll put the directory as the argument. Okay, now we'll make a for statement for file in files. So this will get all the files. Okay, file name equals os.path.join path and files. Okay, and then let's put dir underscore size and we'll increment it by os.path and get size. Okay, and then let's put the file name. So this will add the size of each file. Okay, so let's make a for statement for key in our dictionary. Okay, our dictionary name was fsizedicr. Okay, so this will iterate through the dictionary. So I am going to print folder size. Okay, and then let's concatenate it string. So we'll round it to the 2 decimal point. Okay, fsizedicr. Okay, dictionary and then key multiplied by dir underscore size. Okay, and we'll round it to 2 decimal points. Okay, now let's put a space and then we'll put the key. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see the folder size, the in kilobytes, megabytes and gigabytes.